Thank you. Have you seen Zachary? Nakala ni Zachary ako yun. Over the straight. Come on. Kuya, saan yung... Kuya, you do this? Kanina, akala ni Zachary yung hinawakan niyang kamay ako. Who's that girl? Zachary? No, the one hold your hand. That's why you have to pay attention. Ha? Buti na lang. Mabait. Nakatulog na si Holly. Come on. Slow down, Zach. Nakatulog na si Holly.
We're not finding it on the front now.
Mango? There, Kuya.
Can we have them?
Yes.
First we have to...
It's alright for me. Patiently waiting.
I like this one, Mom.
Skyflex. Tulog pa si Holly. Hi. Don't forget your groceries. Akin na. Okay, let's go, boy. Thank you. Okay na yung receipt. How is it, Zachary? Come on, walk. It's alright.
Mom, they want they not done like this.
You're not scared with this one. The other one, you are.
But I'm not scared of this one or the other one.
Takot siya dun sa isang escalator na may steps.
I just want to do this.
Dito kami sa... Anong store? The CP? Yeah, CP Child Clothing. You don't touch anything, boys, because you have food. For Holly.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like
you have? Huh? Yeah. But we have to go up. Yeah, I know. We have to go up. Bebo, massage. Don't hit her, Zachary. Zach. What are you doing? Are you dancing? Are you gonna eat Jollibee? Gusto na raw nilang kumain ng Jollibee. So mag-Jollibee na lang kami for lunch. So get inside now.
This tile's out there, this one goes.
What do you want? Food. What food do you want? Not ice cream.
I'm just only having drinks.
What you gonna have
One
some?
tile, there's one.
What do you wanna eat? Chicken. Zach, this is Kuya TJ. This is yours. Here, Zach. Zach, here. This is yours. Come on. You said six. Spaghetti. There.
make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. So across a million seas, would you do that for me? Yeah, fly this whole world twice. If I could be your paradise.
Saki, Uy, Sak, listen.
Yeah, Zachary. Yeah.
I said follow me. Dad, Zach, follow me. Zach.
Which one you want, Sak? Anong gusto mo? Just get same as TJ here. How about this one, Zachary? This one.
What did Hulk smash do? What did Hulk smash? Oi. That was
Okay, Sak. Anong gusto mo? Which one? This one?
no. Mine's closer. Mine's closer.
Come on, quick. Hurry up, Zachary.
This one.
Okay, go get that one then. Go, you have to pay, Sak. Sak, you have to pay. Oh, you get the same.
Actually, he goes like that.
Yes. Okay. Kuya has the fun one.
Oh, that's the fair one that cools me down.
You do
Oh,
it.
my fair one.
No.
What a cool fan. I don't want that.
Ang tagal mo, kanina ka pa.
Get a bed.
Daddy,
Okay, let's go.
Is these? This close.
Okay, pay. Come on. Hoy, hoy, you have to pay here, Sak. Good afternoon. Pabalik na kami sa condo. Si Sak napagod takbo sa mall. Ayan o. Tulog na siya. How about you, Kuya? Are you tired? No? Love. And now eat. Anong oras na, Kuya? 4? 4:02 na raw ng hapon. Can you grab? Come here.
Really?
Here, Sak.
Mom, really?
Really what?
Really drop a biscuit in the taxi?
Yeah.
I'm not good.
That's why we come in and then turn, go down there.
Holly, where did you get that?
Ang daming sale. Ang daming ano. Hindi ko nakuha yung ano, yung brown na dress. Na parang dress sa Zara. Yung brown. May nakuha ko sa Old Navy na off-shoulder na blue.
What's going
Baba! Baba! What you doing?
So yung pabalik na kami, ang init. Holly. Sadya nasa harap. Hindi ko lagay sa lapsisak. Ayan si Holly. Oh, busy. Are you busy, Holly? Yes. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet.